I have 6 terabyte Microsoft 365 subscription and a 2 terabyte of Google Drive subscription. That costs me north of 20,000 taka every single year. It is shared among me, my brother, my sister, my mom, and my dad. And even if we set aside this question of money, having to give up your family's or your business's data to the hands of trustworthy companies like Google and Microsoft might not instinctively be your first choice if you were presented with enough choices. Actually, you do have an option, and that is NAS. What is a NAS? NAS basically stands for Network Attached Storage. The system has the capability to host anywhere from a single hard drive to a large RAID array, which ensures a fail-safe destination for all the connected devices' data. I actually made a video explaining RAID a few years ago, and go ahead and check that out to learn more about RAID 1, 0, and 10. The data that we are storing in the system is accessible from anywhere in the world. Since NAS is a network-attached storage system which is not limited to a single PC, it's basically like your own cloud storage system minus the heavy cost and giving up your privacy. Just like any other cloud service, it can be accessed by multiple people simultaneously, and they also have their own operating system that lets you do a lot of cool stuff like consolidate. What's up guys, PC here, and I really hope you are liking this video so far. Let me know in the comments. Thank you. They also have their own operating system that lets you do a lot of cool stuff like consolidating present duplicate files on multiple PCs on one place, performing nightly image-based backups of your computers, which some even support Linux actually, manage your downloads, and not to mention you can access your data from anywhere in your network using a browser or an app on your phone. And you can easily share files with people, and the list just keeps going. But there is something that I would like to mention before we get going with the video, and that is if you watch my RAID video, you would know that RAID only offers redundancy, which only protects against a hard drive failure. But what I understand of the word backup is keeping 2 separate versions of identical data stored in 2 different places. Now, if you are going to set up a NAS device on your home or your business, I would suggest getting 2 fail-proof systems and get them to cooperate with each other. In an ideal world, I'd ask you to bury the other server within a large sheet of ice in Antarctica, but chances are that you can't do that. So what I'd suggest is for you to keep one server at your home and the other one at your workplace. In that way, you can maximize your redundancy, and you can also consolidate the form of backup that you have. Thanks for watching.